What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is our fifth video already. Yeah, so we're like, what, 6 weeks, 7 weeks in, and we finally got a date for our show. Not an exact date, but it's close. So we're looking at a show in October for my pro debut, so that'll be right about a month before the cutoff. And we're looking at making a run. If we get qualification for this year's O, we're going for it. But, you know, we're gonna be planning to continue competing, making a run, and maybe hitting a qualification for next year too. So I feel good, I feel healthy each week. My strength, I can feel, is definitely going up, and my body composition is looking better. Push some weight today, pull, really working back and biceps focus. So we'll get straight to it. And we got a new supplement drop. So this just came in unexpectedly. So you know what that means. A new flavor drop for the Amino Chem. Smashing Passion Orange. And this is just a BCA supplement, really to help you keep hydrated, maintain fullness, give you a little bit of extra energy to really sustain that fullness throughout your entire workout. Keep an eye out for it, guys. It's coming soon. Exercise we got is pull-ups, but I'm gonna need an assistant band because I'm still I got some pounds I need to get off. Make sure you pull enough slack. You don't want to slap yourself in the face. It's pretty embarrassing. It's happened to me before. Make sure your foot's pretty positioned in there. This is all the assistance you really need just to help get you started. It's the simple things, the hardest things. You don't see everybody doing pull-ups. Everybody's on the lat pull down or a pull down variation machines. Body weight pull-ups that are just humbling. Dude, wouldn't that make the best blooper? It slapped the shit out of me. Single arm dumbbell row, my favorite. And how I'm gonna position myself to do these, everyone does them differently. Some people use their opposite leg so they don't twist with their hip. I see some people do it with the open stance. Me personally, I like having my feet even. I'm able to brace my core and just keep it very strict and balanced. Just pulling my elbow back. Really focus on not twisting with the weight. It'll be one of those days. I feel good, but I just know tomorrow I feel it. Is there a baby crying in here? What was that? Am I hearing shit? It's gonna be a video with little words, a lot of panting, dying. What's next? Incline bench chest rows. All right, so we're gonna use incline about there. Next. All right, so the reason behind this movement specifically is really targeting the lats from the front. So if you think of like a classic physique or open bodybuilder pose, that front relaxed pose, it's gonna accentuate the width of your lats. Biggest key is just keeping tension within the entire movement, not letting it just release and stretch at the top. I'm still keeping my lats engaged the entire time. Notice I'm keeping my elbows locked too, so my triceps aren't helping too much. Oh man. Man, I feel that from the top all the way down my back. Lower back is screaming. single arm, low cable row. Setting up for this movement in order to target your lower lat in the most effective way is lining yourself up, especially doing it unilaterally, lining yourself up where you're right in line with that cable. So you're not pulling out here to the side, pulling straight back. And as I'm pulling back, I'm thinking of retracting my shoulder, so my chest out, keeping good posture. I'm not leaning back, so imagine that there's a wall right behind you. You can't lean back at all. Tracking your shoulder, and as you're pulling down, elbow close to your side. And it's okay if you have a little bit of side flexion too. I feel that really engages the lower lat as well. Try it out. Another thing, guys, we're running straight through these. When you're doing unilateral exercises, there's no need to rest because you're already resting one side. Blowing right through this one today. I think we just got one more back movement and biceps and we're done. Oh, arms already. I'm not even like lean. What is this? We're good. All right, guys, so that wraps up another video in our prep series. Give you a little bit of insight into what my workouts at this point are looking like. We're sitting, like I said, a little over 20 weeks out, 20 to 24 weeks out from pro debut. So it'll be here before we know it. And I've personally never been at this body fat composition, my strength, my size, my fullness. I've never looked like this far out. And I've already crept into some new PRs this year that I've never hit before. We'll go ahead and give a little physique update. I've never had like these lines come in this far out. Has striations in my triceps, lines in my back. I think I've already added some more width to my lats. And the leaner I get, the more I practice my posing, because my mobility is much more improved the leaner I get. Definitely gonna have a new and improved routine for this year. So make sure to like, subscribe, let us know what you want to see more of. We're seeing a lot of views on our videos, but not enough subscribers, so we know you guys are watching. You want to know a little bit more, want to know what's going on behind the scenes for my prep, what we're doing with FitFluentX, and we'll see you guys next time.